Ready to travel? To virtually explore the world? Join me on today's field trip to the Ashikaga Flower Park in Japan. With 8 floral seasons, the Ashikaga Flower Park includes many types of blooms, such as lilies, roses, peonies, water lilies, and pansies. What you will need for this field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Ready? Let's go.
In Google Maps, search for the Ashikaga Flower Park. We just went from Plano, Texas, all the way to Japan. Cool. Now we need to zoom in real close on the park, so you can use the wheel on your mouse or the zoom tools here on the right-hand side, but keep on zooming in. There we go. Now we're going to grab our peg man friend. It's this guy down in the right-hand corner. Click on him and drag him over. Place him along a path, the blue line, and drop. All right, we're in the park, and let's take a look around. You can click and drag to pivot your view. And check those out. Do you know what those are? That is wisteria. Wisteria is a part of their spring seasonal display, and it is beautiful. So to get around the park, you will use your arrow on the ground to click and continue along. Now the X's are really good places to stop and pivot to look around, especially on this bridge. Let's look up. Beautiful. Let's keep on moving. Take a look around. Now, if you're feeling lost or just wanted to move to another part of the park, you can click back out using this arrow in the upper left-hand corner. Grab your peg man and drop him in another location. Let's drop him here. Beautiful. All right, let's try that again. One more time, we'll back out. I'm gonna move my screen here. Let's go this way and grab our pegman friend and drop. More wisteria hanging from above. If you're feeling artsy, one of our guided activities is to pick a spot in the park and draw what you see. Get as creative and as artsy as you want. All right, keep on exploring.
So how was the trip? Use the guided activities to further your exploration around the park. And we will see you on another virtual field trip.